May profits be upon you. Hey, did you watch the Aussie dollar Swiss video that I put out? Huh? The one I put out a couple of days ago during the weekend? Here it is. And in this video, I left you here. All right. And I gave you a lot of analysis. I need you to check out this video. All right. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video so that you can click on it and review it. It's only 10 minutes. But in a nutshell,
YouTube tells us to
stop it. And what I'm going to, this is where I left you. And what I said was, I'm hoping that price pulls back here. But this would be the first place I look at this the buy to sell wicks here, which I pointed out is supply on lower time frames. So this would be the first one I look at because there's a lot of momentum coming down here. And sometimes price, when there's a lot of momentum to the downside, it doesn't want to taking these long pullbacks, right? So this will be the first place I look at. This will be supply. If it breaks through here, then I'll be looking here, right? This is what has happened since, if I don't have it so fast, since I left you there. Price couldn't get any higher than this doggone zone of supply that I marked out, which is cool. And if you remember, I drew this line as one of the last things I put on here. And I said, price will probably come back and test this bottom, because this represents a line of support that I think price would have a problem getting past because there was so much rejection from here. On the other side of that, it'll probably do some rejecting. And that's exactly what happened. Just a little, little extra that, you put in sometimes anyway. So what am I looking for? What are we looking for? I'm looking for a break of this consolidation, of course. All right. If we break this high here, I'm looking for price to fill in the fair value gap, the imbalance here. All right. Come up here, do its thing, give me my high, pull back, higher high, a break below that low, and a return to impulse, respecting this high. And I'm looking for that down to here. This would be my target. That's what I'm looking at. It's that simple. All right. Let's keep an eye out for it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button for me. Do it now. Thank you. Thank you. And do make sure you update. Do make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and catch my notifications for updates like this one. All right. This is an update of the video I did a couple of days ago. All right. And I want you to make sure you leave a comment. Why aren't you following Aussie Swiss? Why aren't you looking at this? Why do I have so many few views? Why are there so few views? This is going to be a nice setup. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.